Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters with Latest on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, input your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. Once you've entered your search query, the search results will display a mix of posts, photos, accounts, and other content types. To refine your search results to view the most recent and up-to-date content, head to the top of the search results page and click on the Latest tab. By selecting the Latest tab, you can filter your search results to showcase the most recent tweets and updates related to your search query on X, Twitter, on your PC. By following these steps, you can stay informed and engaged with the latest conversations and trends happening in real time on the platform. Thank you for following along. We trust that this tutorial has been helpful in illustrating how to use search filters with Latest on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by staying up to date with the freshest content and discussions on Twitter.